If you want to lock your Facebook profile on Android, then what you do is open Facebook application, tap on your profile icon here, tap on these three dotted icons here, go to lock profile, and then select this option, lock your profile, and then OK. Now once you have locked your profile, only your friends will be able to see the photos and the post. Now if you want to unlock, just tap again on these three dotted icons here, select unlock profile. Now tap on this option unlock, and then unlock your profile, and in this way you have unlocked your profile. Now in case if you are not able to lock your Facebook profile, then there might be two reasons for this one. Either this feature is not available in your country, or else your Facebook application is outdated. You have to update your Facebook application. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.